See a price pattern that only appears at the end of a trend. Learn why an ending diagonal is an Elliott Wave pattern you don't want to take lightly. I'm Bob Stokes reporting for Elliott Wave International. Investors typically extrapolate today's market trends into tomorrow. This tendency is why they are caught off guard at important market junctures. Recent examples include the peak high in 2007, when most investors saw nothing but blue skies ahead. And at the major low in 2009, most investors wouldn't touch stocks with a 10-foot pole. On the other hand, Elliott Wave analysis studies price patterns that can help anticipate turns in the market's trend. We're not always right, but we do alert investors to potential big turns when the wave patterns flash a warning signal, as they did in 2007 and 2009. One such warning signal pattern is the ending diagonal. Elliott Wave Principle, Key to Market Behavior, explains, quote, an ending diagonal occurs primarily in the fifth wave position at times when the preceding move has gone too far too fast. In all cases, they are found at the termination points of larger patterns, indicating exhaustion of the larger movement. End quote. Here are idealized examples of this pattern in bull and bear markets. Elliott Wave Principle goes on, quote, a rising ending diagonal is usually followed by a sharp decline, retracing at least back to the level where it began and typically much further. A falling ending diagonal, by the same token, usually gives rise to an upward thrust. End quote. Here's a look at an actual rising ending diagonal in the Dow Jones Transportation Average from the August 2007 Elliott Wave Financial Forecast. Quote, observe the ending diagonal pattern that culminated the entire rally from March 2003. The Financial Forecast's June 2007 issue called for a final hurrah in the transports, illustrating the strength of using the wave principle to assess future market probabilities. A reversal of global proportions is now in place. It's just a small taste of what's to come. End quote. As we know, at the time that issue published, the entire stock market was on the cusp of the biggest bear market since the 1930s. The ending diagonal is a rare pattern, and when it develops, investors would do well to pay close attention. And we believe there was one culminating right now. Find out where and what it means in our new June Elliott Wave Financial Forecast. Page 2 shows you the chart and analysis explaining the current setup. You get free access to the new financial forecast today and for the next 2 weeks. Just click on the link below the video.